In this video, I'm going to be showing you how to actually create a Microsoft form, so be sure to watch this video until the very end to prevent any mistakes in the process. You're going to begin by choosing on Microsoft Forms either New Quiz or New Form. If you want to make a quiz where there are right answers, you can select this one, but if you just want to do a form, you can click Create a New Form. The first thing you're going to do is type in the title. You can also do a little description if you would like, but it is not required. Now, the next step is to actually create questions. There will be different questions or forms that you will actually use. You can use a multiple choice, you can use text where the respondents can write a long answer, you can have a rating, or you can also choose a date. There's also just different rankings and Likert scales, but if you just want a simple multiple choice question, you'll click that, write the question, and you'll be able to write the different options that they can select. If you want to add other, you can do that, and they can type, or if you want to add a third option, you can do that as well. Now, as you can see, there are different settings. You can allow them to choose multiple answers or a limit to their answers, and you can make each question required or not required. Now, there is a lot of different things that you can do. As you can see, the respondents will write their answer. You can allow it to be longer. You can also allow them to rate different things with stars, or you can allow them to input a date, for example, if you want them to select when they are free. But overall, there is just a lot of different things that you can do. Now, you can also click preview and see how the actual form will look on computer and mobile. And if you go back, you can also style it. You can make a different background, you can choose more fun backgrounds, and you can also include music where you can select different music that the respondent will hear when they are taking the test. Now, that's really all there is to it. If you want to start collecting responses, just click that up here, and you can either click anyone can respond or specific people, and then you can copy the link, and when respondents click the link, they will be able to start the test like so. The final thing that you can see is responses. When people respond, you'll be able to see that all right here. That's all there is to it. Be sure to leave a like, comment, and subscribe to the channel. Thanks for watching. See you in the next video.